In 2 days, we say goodbye to 2019 and reflect on the year. But we might be forgetting something. What about your credit? What did you do in 2019 that benefited your score? Let's get real. You need to fix your credit. And you don't want to waste money to get it done, right? Here's the good news. 2 days remain in the sale, which means that you can go into the new year the best you. The best you is someone that prioritizes and benefits the whole family. The best you sees the house you're going to get. The best you invests in you, and today is the day. So while others waste money on partying, or drinks, you're changing your life forever. Take advantage now. When the clock hits 2020, your time is up. The time is now. Your best you is here. Just imagine, in 48 hours, your entire life could change, and everything you ever wanted could be in reach. Simply take action now. Services.vargasconsultingworks.com